Ragnarok Crush Review. Is this game worth it? So, Ragnarok Crush is a match-merge RPG puzzle game, officially licensed based on the Ragnarok online universe. It launched globally on July 17, 2025. It combines its match 3 tiles, mechanics, tower defense elements, and character progression through hero collection and resource upgrades on iconic maps like the Pylon and the Frontera. It also features include PvP, guild co-op raids, and seasonal events. So here's why it's legit and why it's good. It offers innovative gameplay fusion. It has an authentic Ragnarok aesthetic, and they have massive early interest and a diverse content pipeline. The only downside is they have performance and stability issues. They also have a bug and loading problems. And for the monetization, they have a design criticism. But in conclusion, Ragnarok Crush is legitimate and creative with polished art and strategic gameplay and strong nostalgic appeal. It has a launch rating, and that said, although they have performance issues and frequent lag, the game is still good, but it's not that worth it.